Do we have a fun shed delivery today? This is going to be full of challenges, but we can do it. I'll show you here. We got to get this building into the backyard. Might be hard to see on the video, but this is a heck of a dip here and a heck of a dip there. So we got to get the shed over that, and then the gate opening is not much more than 10 feet, and the shed itself is a little over 10 feet. So that's going to be challenging, but I think we can do it. Let's give it a go. All right, you can see what I'm up against here. I can't go down this big, I don't know what you want to call it, culvert. Anyway, I'm gonna try and get the machine to the back of the shed and drag it off. See how it goes. A little nerve-wracking. A big shout out to Matt, our awesome customer. He was keeping an eye on the front of the shed and making sure it didn't fall off the trailer. He also provided the amazing drone footage you're about to see. I'll link his Instagram in the description. Check out some of his videos. Okay, it's getting really tight, but not a problem. What we gotta do, you can see here, if we keep going, we're gonna kind of swing into the house. So what we need to do is take the back of the shed, and swing it over to the right to get more straight on. Use our trusty spud bar to move the shed over. Should go pretty smooth. Now we'll get more straight with the house. Is a lot better. It's more straight to go through the narrow fence opening there. This is such a snug fit. Okay, that was very challenging, but we got it through. So many little obstacles on this job, but no worries. There's bricks in the way. We're doing good though. Gotta keep a positive attitude. All right, we got the machine out from the back. We got to get it closer to the fence. So I got a roller on it. We're gonna give it a little push and get it close to the fence. Here we go. Okay, yep. One more push here. Yep. It's a little easier. This doesn't give us much, let's go. You want to check it out back there? See. Let's see. Yeah. We are all done. That was definitely a challenge. You like your building, Matt?
I love the building. I cannot recommend Mark or store more.
That's what we like to hear.
Yeah, this is awesome. 10 by 12, perfect fit, very comfortable, spacious. I don't have to have clutter in my garage anymore, man. This is gonna be wonderful. Thank you so much.
That's awesome. That is the goal, right? Looks good. I like the horizontal siding, the metal roof.
Never have to replace the roof.
Yeah, I like metal. Metal's an awesome option.